Hello, welcome to Book My Trucks Packers and Movers Bangalore. Now you're watching an Outstation packing and moving service booked from Bangalore to Mumbai. Here you can see our staff packing the TVs safely. We use our own customized boxes, designed as per the TV size, along with proper carton boxes for secure packing. Here I'd like to introduce our firm, Book My Trucks Packers and Movers. With nearly 15 years of experience, we are a Bangalore-based company with our office located in HSR layout. We provide local, national and international moving services in a fully professional manner. With our own fleet and trained employees, we ensure consistent quality and reliable service. Here you can see our staff carefully packing crockery using high-quality packing materials, providing maximum protection during the move. We pack furniture in a premium way using corrugated sheets and polythene wrapping to avoid corner chipping and damage. Our team ensures proper cushioning and secure handling, so your furniture reaches its destination safely. We are a direct service provider, not an aggregator. We have our own trained team and dedicated trucks, which helps us avoid last-minute issues. In today's market, many big brands work as aggregators and outsource the job. They usually pass customer details to a local driver who comes only on the moving day. This can sometimes lead to confusion or unnecessary discussions. Just for your information, whether it's local or outstation moving, visiting the company's physical office gives you better clarity and helps avoid last-minute changes. Here you can see our trained staff dismantling the dining table and packing it carefully to ensure safe handling. Our office is located in HSR layout, Bangalore. Please visit us for your relocation booking. You can also call us and we will send our executive for a physical survey of your household goods to provide you with the best possible quote. Here we'd like to mention our service areas. We serve from Bangalore to Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Pune, Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Chandigarh, Kochi, Indore, Coimbatore, Bhopal and Surat, along with many other locations across India. Now you can see our washing machine packing. First, we wrap it with air bubble sheet, then corrugated sheet and finally polythene wrapping. After that, we stick fragile stickers on all fragile items. We work nearly 365 days a year and provide multiple time slots for customer convenience, starting from 7 a.m., then 9 to 10 a.m., 1 to 2 p.m. and 3 to 4 p.m. Because of Bangalore traffic, we usually recommend early morning slots. And finally, our packing process is completed. Our next step is loading the household goods into the truck. Here you can see our staff carefully carrying the items, while the loader arranges everything inside the truck in a safe and systematic manner. Thanks for watching. We provide relocation services from Bangalore to anywhere in India. Call us at 8722744888 or visit www.bookmytrucks.co.in.